So it's very important to keep your energy up. You know, some of the things I stay very quiet sometimes and I try not to overdo it. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Saludos. Eli le preguntaba por esta propiedad en Silston. ¿Usted la conoce? Oh, ok. Estaba tratando de contactar a esa señora. ¿Y tiene alguna propiedad que le interese vender, por casualidad? Está bien, mi amigo, bendiciones. I try to stay concentrated into what I'm doing, but that works for me. But if it works better for you to stand up, to walk around, sometimes I do that too. When I feel like a little bit too excited, just to stand up and start talking until I actually, do something, like I get something. Sometimes that's necessary. For me today, I want to save my energies to make sure that if I get a seller, like I actually get the most out of it. So this seller was telling me that he doesn't know the property or the owner. So what I do is I just edit the phone numbers and we go cleaning up little by little the pipeline. We know those foreclosures are super hard to get them, but this is our job. We gotta be consistent. Like RJ Bay says, consistent as a tree. You cannot expect to be successful and be lazy. You gotta be able to want to input the work that other people is not putting, so you can actually be successful. So no content made. Stay on campaign. Let's roll.